Hello and welcome to a quick video which is called Gold and Silver Falls Down. That might certainly seem so given the 2 days smackdown. Is it going to continue? What are the reasons and what are the prospects? How do I see the path ahead in precious metals and miners? That's the purpose of this quick weekend video. You know my site, you are for sure subscribed on the free mailing list there. You follow me on Twitter and above all you are on the Telegram free channel so that you don't miss anything substantial with notifications on that Twitter may or may not deliver to you. So be sure to make the most of what I do for you, including by subscribing to this YouTube channel with notifications on and commenting, liking, subscribing and replying what you are interested in. Yes, I do accept new chart requests for the week ahead, so drop me a line, whether publicly or one-on-one, doesn't matter, and let's go from there. Screenshot that you are very familiar with, and now let's dive to the say trimmed down premium snapshot of what I would be covering for clients, for trading signals clients during this weekend. You can see my fairly typical overlay when it comes to gold, silver and miners index. Pretty run-of-the-mill underperformance of miners. Silver had been knocked down very much as well. And let's go into the reasons. Wednesday I predicted the CPI would come in tame, in line with expectations, and so it did, triggering the final white body candle that you see on this chart, which marked kind of what inspired me to say falls down. Thursday's double whammy of hot PPI 0.4 month on month versus 0.2 month on month, which is double, which is pretty significant, taking PPI to 3% year on year. Not boding well for Fed easing prospects, putting question mark over January and March more so than it was the case before. You know pretty well about from the previous presentation that ran for 10 minutes and centered on the stock market that the 10-year yield, which I saw pulling back to the 410 to 420% area, had found a bottom there and embarked on a fresh uptrend. And this is what is bearing down, starting to bear down on precious metals. Likewise, you don't see the dollar going down. It held the 100 level, got positioned for elections, surged following elections, and the first say reprieve hitting both yields and the dollar was the Besant nomination for Treasury Secretary. And this all ties to the economic prospects, economic performance, and what we have seen with unemployment claims approaching the psychological 250,000 level Thursday. So that translates into no more quickening or continuation of the precious metals upswing and quite the very same direction taken to the downside. Clear reversal. This is not yet the bottom. I foresee prices going sideways to down, and I have told this live during Thursday with trading signals clients. These are those who have my full coverage of real assets centering on precious metals and oil, and talking ad hoc whatever question I received then, be it copper, be it agri-foods, whatever, you get it answered. That's why the encouragement to request what you are interested in me covering. And they saw it in daily analysis, and on Friday I called as well for no reversal higher in real assets, with oil being in a slightly different position. However, this presentation is about gold and silver, and they were called clearly down and no positive upswing Friday. And in my view, something similar would carry over into Monday as well. And within the premium article for clients, I will be introducing longer term perspective when it comes to the end of December and through January into inauguration, and what I see ahead happening with the dollar, with the stock market. Revisit the latest video centering on Nasdaq, S&P 500 and Russell 2000, where you can glean insights and connect this to this very video centered on precious metals, because I would be covering then what it means for yields and the US dollar. So let me wish you a happy weekend. You know the full scope of what I do from the join page, helping you select what's best for you. Forget not about the one-on-one support delivered always. You know my trading story and everything I had gone through so as to keep delivering for you unencumbered. Obligatory disclaimer, and happy weekend once again.